So Amazon, I was actually short all the way over here. So Amazon opened up higher, moved lower, and then rejected back inside, which I just thought set up decently, but it wasn't like the strongest rejection level. Also, like held here pretty nicely. So this really wasn't like the best trade. If you go down to a 2 minute, you can see it like I got short here. And as you can see, like it started to move nicely and then it just started pumping, right? For no apparent reason. Um, just this massive green candle. At that point, it was just also the 5 minutes started to look really bullish, holding this really nice wick lower, and the trade was kind of gone despite initially working out, but it just didn't get enough follow through. What then did happen is it just felt this like buy extortion here higher, reverse lower, and just strong trend selling now, which we didn't have here, right? And the big difference between these two trades is here the short was kind of counter trend, right? They were in the short term uptrend, and it just made the higher low, right? And just continued the uptrend. So you were kind of hoping that would break lower here and like break the trend. But difference over here is you get a similar setup to Google, as you can see, but here it's actually with trend, right? You have this really strong selling, just a bounce and fading the bounce immediately for the move lower, then pausing just before breaking lot, which is a very common pattern, and then moving lower. So that was a really nice trade on Amazon here for the re-entry, the better entry actually, the one that should be taken. And this was more of like an early one, maybe a bit too risky for the kind of environment that the market is currently in. But that's Amazon. And as you can see, losing trades are part of the game, and you can be right about the initial idea, but the timing's off, or you right at the beginning, but then you have to adjust while being in the trade and manage it accordingly, which are just super important things and also really differentiate traders from each other.